How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about BBAI. I've been researching a lot of stocks here coming into tomorrow. This is February 4th, so I'm looking into this one. This one looks pretty good here. It had, a pretty big move up to this upper Keltner channel on the weekly chart. Like I said in my previous video, I am focusing on weekly charts as they give me a bigger direction of what the trend is and it get better demand zones. So you can see right in here, this is a very nice area where we had a lot of consolidation on the weekly. You can really see like this is your demand zone, right? You had the, rejections here, rejection, and then we finally had this big bullish move up. And so then what happens is resistance, prior resistance, we broke out of that, and so now prior resistance becomes support. And so there's two big confluences that I like. So we had that based on just price action, and then we have our indicator, the EMA 20, acting as strong support. So I do like this setup here. You can already see you're up, quite a bit, 7% after hours. You're kind of like a little stagnant here, but I like this beautiful setup here. You have this nice big rally. I'm a little conservative right now because I'm in some other plays. So I didn't alert this one in the Discord due to one, Trump is talking at 9, so I want to know what happens there. I think the market is very bullish, and like I said, I'm in some other stocks that you obviously would know if you went in my Discord, Swing Trade Alerts. I just bought KULR at that beautiful EMA 50, right? And this is literally what's happening here. We bought it at this EMA 50, and then ever since I bought it in this, and it started going up. All right, and so this strategy works. We look at the higher value ones. This is a weekly EMA 20. This is a very high value one too, just based on the demand zone I see. And then you can kind of use your data price range tool. What is this percentage down to the 50? That is a little too big for me to stomach. So what I would do is I would put a stop loss around, it looks like to me I would do 8%. Yeah, because that gives you just enough wiggle room where if it don't work out, then we'll take it right here in the 50 and make way past your 8% loss. And that's how I love trading these, because when you're trading the uptrend, I love it because you can see where your big next support is. You can see a very clear, very defined risk versus reward. I'm willing to risk 8% on BBAI to potentially gain 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or even 100% gain. You could have this in a blink of an eye. Look at this big, massive weekly candle up. So that's what I'm looking to do. This is looking already good. Congrats who saw this. Congrats who saw my system, because this is what I wanted to focus on. I like weekly charts. Weekly EMA 20 and 50 are my most favorite things. Try to find a very bullish stock that has hit the upper counter channel. This one has hit the upper counter channel. It's very bullish. So this is absolutely amazing. This is follow the trend idea. This is looking absolutely insane. In the right sector too, software and IT services. I love that in 2025. We know that AI is the thing to go, in my opinion. I really think, everything's having a correction, but AI is not going anywhere, all right? Obviously, there's lots of competition, but, there's no doubt about it. This chart tells me the story of this company. For a chart to do something like this, of course there's going to be some dumps. NVIDIA went down today. A lot of big companies went down, right? You can see NVIDIA went down 8%, went down some more, and actually ended up going green based on, right in here. Look at this beautiful weekly EMA 50s touches that you had. You got a touch right here, massive move touch right here, some game touch right here, and then you're coming back up. But you got to understand is that every price action will go to your next EMA, all right? And that's why if this touch don't work, we got to make sure we have a stop loss, and we want to make sure we actually take the gains. If you don't take the gains on this, you could get really screwed. I played the BBAI on a daily EMA 50 in the Discord due to this really nice pump up we had. We made over 10%. I got a nice move because a lot of times, if we skip this 20, don't make as big gains, I'll play this on the 50. We also have earnings coming March 6th. So I'm very curious what to see here. I personally would say it's really risky to hold for earnings, especially for the smaller companies. So I think if you play this, you're doing good. You got a nice area. And usually a run up to earnings is going to be great. I love playing run up to earnings. I did that on Soundhound. It was absolutely amazing. I played this on the weekly EMA 50, and it was just like a beast of a move. We went from here to here, almost 30% gains. All right. A lot of people would love to have, those kind of returns. We bought it right here, which was the weekly EMA 50. Same thing as BBAI. You see how you have earnings right here? We had a run up to earnings, and then even after the earnings, it went massively up. But obviously, I'm not going to risk that because that's gambling. But same scenario, BBAI looks amazing. AI stock coming into 2025, very a smaller cap that you can make massive returns where it's not too penny-ish. It's literally $4.71. So looks amazing to me. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome to join. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and the description will say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here. It'll ask you to subscribe. For all my services for this promotional video, you can get it for $12 a month. It's literally the cheapest you can ever get compared to a lot of services where this one you're going to get my live streams. I go live every day. You're going to get my educational content for both swing trades and day trades where I update that usually every month where I, find things that, what is going to be good, what is going to be bad. And then coming into the market, these are the kind of situations that I look for. I look for that weekly candle. I want to look for the big oversold things. I see that BBA is going to make a massive move. We have nice consolidation right in here, coming back to support with the EMA 20. Earnings is obviously a gamble, but I play Soundhound, same type of setup for Soundhound. Congrats who are taking this. Like I said, I'm in the other place. I don't want to have too many holds, right? I don't want to be that person that has like 10 stocks and then the market has a down day and then it's just so much psychology you got to deal with, all this red, right? But I have a clear risk versus reward. 8% stop loss is what I recommend at this EMA 20. And then we'll try it again on the 50. It don't work, but it's already working on the 20. Usually when you see this long lower wick, it's looking really good for you guys. All right, guys, join the Discord if you want to join. If not, no problem. It's only $12 a month. If you're not from the US, it might be like a little couple extra dollars to for the currency exchange fee. But and then do try to subscribe on the computer or your laptop to avoid the iOS fee. And if you do that, you will have to do that for Android users as they're having problems. But it's a great community. All these channels will be unlocked. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.